Dear children of class 4th, we are moving with chapter from the window and we are doing the question answers of that. I hope that you are doing the homework, but also I want to say that you should join the online classes so that you may be beneficial in the proper way, that you may do the conversation with the teacher directly, or you may ask the question answers also. I hope that in the next online class there will be full strength. Let us start the question answers. The question 1 is, have you seen any bridge? Where? The answer is yes, I have seen several bridges while going to Delhi by train. Dear children, these are the questions where you can share your experiences also. But if you can't, then you have to write these answers. The second question is, have you ever crossed the bridge? Where?
And the answer of second question is, yes, I have crossed many bridges. There comes a bridge over the river Ganges at Allahabad. Now the third question is, what was the bridge built over? The bridge was built over the river Ganges. The fourth question is, what did you see below the bridge? I saw water and some boats below the bridge. Now the fifth question is asked that find out why bridges are made. Dear children, bridges are made for the people and their vehicles to cross over the rivers and the valleys. Now we will move to the page number 57 to 58. And the question on that page, the first question is, have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? And the answer is, yes, I have been through a tunnel. In the beginning, I felt scared, but later on, I became normal as I knew that it was safe. The second question of these page numbers are, the route from Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? The answer is that in the route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast area, many water bodies and hills. So, to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels. The third question is, imagine and draw in your notebook that Omana saw under the bridge where her train crossed it. Dear children, the answer is Omana saw water under the bridge. There were some boats and fishermen also. And the diagram of this question you have to draw yourself. You have to draw some boats and the fishermen under a bridge. The fourth question of page number 57 to 58 is, imagine if on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges, how would Omana's train have crossed the mountains and the rivers? Dear children, you can write the answer like this. If there were no tunnels and bridges across the mountains and rivers, Omana's train could not cross them. Means Omana's train could not cross the mountains and rivers and could not reach to Kerala. Dear children, today you have to write the question answers of these two pages and complete your homework done till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.